Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. Today I am going to test some diffuser materials for my radiant diffusers. I have uploaded several videos on making process of radiant diffuser for myself. You can see the radiant diffuser reflector part over here on my Godox flash, Godox V350 flash. And today I'll be testing three diffuser materials today. You can see this one, this is another one, 2, and this is another one, number 3. Before I show you on the radiant diffuser, let me show you how to test these diffuser materials performance with a torchlight. I'll be using this torchlight to test the diffusion of the light of these diffuser materials. Let me show you how I do it. And after the testing with this torchlight, I'll put all these diffusers on this reflector in front of the flash, one after another, and do some testing on the reflective material like a glass over here. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you in details where and how you can get this type of diffuser materials, how I have collected all these diffuser materials for making of radiant diffuser for my macro photography as well as product photography on my tabletop studio. Let me show you how I test these diffuser materials with this torchlight. This is the torchlight I will be using. You can see I am holding the diffuser material in front of the torchlight, and you can see the diffusion of light. You see, this is very sharp light. Now you can see the diffusion of light through this plastic material. So this is number 1 diffuser material, and now this is number 2. You can see the light spreads all around it, and you cannot see the torchlight. It's spreading all over the diffusion material. And this is number 3. You can see this is another one, the last one. You can see it is thin, but very little amount of light is passing through this diffusion material. So this could be a good diffuser, but I might need a lot of flush for this diffusion material. So let me start testing in reality with this radiant diffuser and some subjects, reflective subject on my tabletop studio. I'll mark these diffusion materials at the bottom of this diffuser. I'll be taking pictures of this glass tube, and I did put on this crystal glass so that I will have a very good reflective material for testing the performance of diffuser. And you can see there is the black color velvet, the back of this subject, to have a black background so that this can be easily identified. The reflection can be easily identified. I can ensure the performance of diffuser materials for these reflective surfaces. Now I am going to put the first diffuser material on my radiant diffuser. This is very easy. My diffuser is on this radiant diffuser. Before I start, let me tell you about the gears. For today's testing, I'll be using a Sony 50mm macro lens, 1:1 macro lens. The camera is Sony A6700 and the flash is Godox V350S. And about the camera setting, I'll be using f-stop 8 and shutter speed of 1/160 and ISO 100. I'll keep constant all these parameters to test in similar lighting condition and similar environment for testing all these three different diffuser materials. Let me start with number 1. I have taken several shots with this white plastic, but I need to check without radiant diffuser, and the flash strength is 1/16. Let me check without diffuser. Without diffuser, flash strength 1/16. I have already taken several shots without any diffuser. There are a lot of reflections from the subject. Now I am going to put this second diffuser on this reflector in front of my lens. Now the second diffuser is on, and let me start taking some pictures. Same flash strength of 1/16. I am bringing the camera back and forth to have a different part of the subject focused. Now I am done with the second diffuser. I am not moving the camera or I am not changing any settings. I am just replacing the diffuser. Now I am going to put the third one and the last one. Now I have attached the third diffuser, the white plastic, but thin white plastic. Now I'll take several shots on this third diffuser. Hardly I can see. It is at 1/16. It is not passing the enough light like other diffusers. It could be a good diffuser, but not passing enough light at 1/16. Let me increase the flash strength for this diffuser material. Now I have given the flash strength of 1/8. Still not enough light. Let me increase further. 1/4. Still not enough light. Let me put 1/2. I have taken plenty of shots with all these three different diffuser materials. Now I will be showing you the pictures I have taken of this reflector surfaces. This one is crystal glass and this one is a shiny, very shiny glass tube. And compare with the without diffuser and on diffuser. I will be showing you one after another all the performance of all these three diffuser materials. Now the question is where you will get these diffuser materials. As I promised in the beginning of my video today, I will be now telling you how I have collected all these diffuser materials. These white plastic sheets I did cut from a plastic file available in the market, in the stationery store. So these are very cheap and very easily available white plastic sheet, and to my opinion this is the best one for diffusion. Number 2, you can see this is a translucent plastic, and very interestingly I have discovered this technique when I opened a computer monitor or a TV monitor. I have already uploaded several videos on these materials. Out of order LED television or a monitor, laptop monitor or computer monitor, you can easily find this material without any cost. This is a fantastic, best quality diffuser material I have ever tested. These are very thin white plastic sheets, easily available in the DIY store. To my opinion, this is not a very good diffuser material. This is white thin plastic, but it has got so many pigments inside it, it inhibits the flashlight. It doesn't pass enough light for diffusion. It doesn't pass enough light from the flash on the subject. I will just simply reject it. So there is no point of using this plastic from DIY store or any stationery store. If you are new in my channel and if you like macro photography or tabletop photography, I have plenty of videos in my channel on the making process of radiant diffuser, the DIY camera stand and many other accessories in my channel. If you love to make yourself, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to see my upcoming projects on different DIY accessories and many more. If you are already subscribed my channel, thank you for your support. Very soon I'll be uploading another video for testing of these diffuser materials or radiant diffuser on a live insect on my tabletop studio. If you want to see the performance of diffuser materials on a live insect, please watch my upcoming videos very soon. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.